Let me show you how to make a super easy crochet heart applique. It's very fast, very easy, and all the stitches work into the same magic ring. I'm using a double knitting yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. So I'm going to do it slow enough for beginners to understand. So I'm going to start by making a magic ring. And then we're going to chain 2. Then we're going to place a double crochet, 2 treble crochets, that's 1, that's 2, and we're going to do a double crochet, and then 2 half double crochets. I'm going to chain 2 and then slip stitch into the second stitch from the hook, second chain from the hook, sorry, and then we're going to reverse that. So we're going to do 2 half double crochets. It's 1 and 2, and then a double crochet, 2 trebles, and then a double, chain 2, and slip stitch back down into the magic ring. And pull your tail through. If you're going to sew the applique on, then leave yourself a long enough tail. I'm just going to tie the 2 ends together. Secure this tail, your working tail, and then pull on the magic ring tail to close it. And then I'm quickly going to make a double knot. And there you have it. A cute little heart applique. Super easy, super quick to make. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.